First things first, before diving into configuration, make sure you have successfully installed Git on your Windows system and that you have an active GitHub account ready. It's highly recommended for security and privacy to use GitHub's private email address when interacting with repositories. You can set this up by logging into GitHub, navigating to your settings, then the email section. Ensure the option Keep My Email Addresses Private is checked, and then carefully copy the generated no-reply email address listed directly below that option. You'll need it in the next step. With the prerequisites handled, open your Git bash terminal or preferred command line interface on Windows. Now, you need to configure Git globally so it knows who you are when you make commits. Enter the command git config, global user.name your name or GitHub username, replacing the placeholder with your actual name or username. Immediately follow that by configuring your email using the private address you just copied. Git config, global user.email paste your private email here. It's also best practice to set the default branch name for new repositories to main, the current standard, using git config global init.defaultBranch main, and to configure how Git handles pulling changes with git config global pull.rebase false to favor merge commits by default. Next, let's set up an SSH key. This provides a secure cryptographic way for your computer to authenticate with GitHub without needing to type your password repeatedly. In your terminal, generate a new SSH key using the recommended ed25519 algorithm by typing ssh-keygen -t-ed25519. The system will prompt you for a location to save the key. Simply press Enter to accept the default location within the .ssh folder in your user directory. It will then ask for a passphrase. You can enter a strong one for maximum security. You'll need to type it whenever the key is used. Or press Enter without typing anything to skip the passphrase for convenience, though this is less secure if someone gains access to your computer. Finally, you need to register this newly generated public SSH key with your GitHub account. You'll display the public key's content in your terminal using cat tilde/ssh/id_ed25519.pub. Make sure to select and copy the entire output string, which usually starts with ssh-ed25519 and ends with your user/hostname identifier. Now, go back to your GitHub account in your web browser, click your profile picture, go to Settings, then select SSH and GPG keys from the left-hand menu. Click the New SSH Key button. Give your key a descriptive title, e.g., My Windows Laptop. Paste the entire public key you copied from the terminal into the large Key text field. Keep the key type as Authentication Key and click Add SSH Key. With these steps completed, your Git installation is configured with your identity and recommended defaults, and your machine is securely linked to your GitHub account via SSH.